Woo! Hello, good morning, good noon, good afternoon, and good evening everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Dr. Bear Show, and today we will have an unboxing, a spin test, and a test battle with our Beyblade XCX Reaper Incendio T470K. And this is from Hasbro. Even it's part of the Karatomi, but it's from Hasbro. Okay, so it doesn't have any Bunky stickers because I bought this. I think I bought these. I bought this online, and I think it's also from overseas. Okay, so now let's open it. Yeah, so that we can have our Ripper Incendio. And they put here let it rip, but yeah, I will not rip the box. I will just open it right here. Okay, let's go. Let's open. Let's unbox. Okay, so we're done unboxing. Yeah, that's it. And it doesn't have any plastic but it's just only the ratchet and the bit that we have right here. And before we go to our blade or the Beyblade itself, let's have this one, which is very new to me. Yeah. Whoa. I don't know if it's okay or not, but yeah, let's try this one later. Okay, so the Reaper and its launcher, very small and a little bit decent, but I know it will not be a strong one. Okay, so this is the instruction manual, which is very big. Yeah, it's big. Okay, and this, I think this is the code. You have the code right here, or maybe yeah, so you can download Google Play, maybe X. Okay, yeah, so just it's the app. Okay, so that's the papers, so we don't need that too much. Okay, so let's go to the Beyblade itself. So this is the blade, the main blade, the auxiliary blade, and then also the gear chip. Okay, so now let's have the ratchet also. Okay, so it's T470K. So it's 4 sides in 70 height. And K, as I know, K is kick. Am I right? Is it a kick? Let me see it at the back of the box. At the back of the box. Yeah, so it's K bit. A K bit. And its auxiliary blade is a T. And it's a Reaper. It's called Reaper Incendio. But in Takaratomi, this is called Hell's Reaper, because it's a Reaper blade, or auxiliary is a Reaper. Okay, so this is it. So we need to put this at the back. If I'm yeah I don't know how. Okay, let's see. So let me put it in the right place, if I'm right or not, or it's, yeah, should be like this. Okay, should be like this. Okay, like that, maybe. Okay, yeah. And then put the gear chip, or what they call this one. Is it a gear chip? It's called a lock chip. It's not a gear chip, but it's a lock chip. Okay, and then lock it, and yeah, that's it. Oh, nice blade, man. See that? Very nice. And then let's put the 470 and then the bit, and that's it. That's our Reaper Incendio, or the Hell's Reaper in Takaratomi. It's a T470K. Okay? Oh, nice, man. And now, the moment of truth. Let's try to use this launcher, and this very cute launcher, and a very short kind of Reaper. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot! Okay, a little bit decent using this Reaper. Okay, and while having the spin test with this launcher and Reaper, yeah, stamina getting lost already. This is a little bit let's say higher in price. Okay, a little bit expensive to its original price, because it's a Hasbro. And then if you want to have this Hell's Reaper in Takaratomi, you need to be lucky enough to get this in the random booster. That's why I just choose to have the Beyblade X in Hasbro, because it's already available, but a little bit higher in price. But it's justifiable because higher in price, but still you will get the Hellsweeper within this box, the Hasbro box. Okay, yeah, and you see that it's the what you call that, the stamina. So let's try to have the Takara Tomy launcher, which is this is the launcher of our Pegasus Blast, and then it's also its own Reaper. Okay, let's try. So ready, 3, 2, 1, go. Stronger and very uncontrolled. But yeah, that should be our Hellsweeper. So using this one, an intra-level kind of Reaper, it's not so good. Yeah, but this one, woo, strong. You can really put your 100% strength on that. So that's the kick. Okay, now I will find a suitable opponent for this blade. Okay, so let's have it and let's go. Let's wait for me because I will get its opponent. Let's go. Okay, so now we have its opponent, yeah, and it's a the Hell series or the Incendio series, according to Hasbro. Yep, but in Takara Tomy it's the Hell series. So this is the Hell's Reaper. So let's have the very first one, which is your Hell Sight. Yeah, let's try this. Let's go. The very first generation of the Hell series. Let's see if it can defeat our Hell's Reaper right here, or the Reaper Incendio. So BX versus a CX. Okay? Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot. Shoot. Ooh. They both want to go to the pocket. Yeah, another one for them. Okay, another one for these two. I enjoy that. But it's so fast, man. A little bit contact and then they go to the pocket. Yeah, let's try another one. Ready? We don't go. Shoot. Shoot. Ooh. Whoa. Strong attack from our Hell Sight. Okay, our Hellsweeper is enduring it. I don't know if it has a lot of stamina. Yeah, I know Hell Sight, Hell series. Ew, Hell series is balance type. Yeah, but it's a point for our Hell's Reaper. Okay, so another one. Hell Sight versus Hell's Reaper or Reaper Incendio. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot. Oh! That's a one shot from our Hell Sight, man, and it goes to the pocket. Oh, BX is still BX. They're really nice. Okay. Next and the last one for these two. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot. Shoot. Ooh. Okay, that's the first contact for these two. Oops. Uh-oh, our Hellsweeper is going out of stamina. But I think our Hell Sight also goes scraping. And that's a point for our Hellsweeper. Nice game. Yeah. Very nice game. Okay. So yeah, that's a win for our Hellsweeper for that time. So now, another Hell. But it's our Hell's Hammer. So Hell's Hammer versus our Hellsweeper. Let's go. Let's try this. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot. Ooh. Oh! And our Hell's Hammer bursted. Very nice game for these two, man. Yeah, our Hell's Reaper is doing something good. Okay, so let's assemble first this. Yeah, it got bursted. Okay, let's see the height. It's 80. Yeah, it's a little bit higher. This is 70. This is 80. Okay, so another game for these two, and the second game. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot! Shoot! Ooh! Oh! Woo! It's a extreme finish for our Hell's Hammer. Wow! It really pushes our Hell's Reaper outside the stadium. And last game for these two. Wow! Hell's Hammer still so many stamina. Okay, ready? Ready to go shoot. Shoot. Woo! Uh-oh. Hell's Hammer wants to go to the center. And wow, Hell's Hammer still got so many stamina. Hell's Reaper trying to break the defense of our Hell's Hammer. Let's see. This will be a spin finish for Hell's Hammer. Hell's Reaper lost on that game. And then the last game for these two. If we have a Hell's Reaper or a Reaper Incendio, we will also have a CX line, which is from our Brave or Dran series, which is our Dran Brave or Brave Dran in Hasbro. Okay, so Brave Dran versus our Hell's Reaper or Reaper Incendio. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot! Shoot! Ooh! Strong, but our Dran Brave is scraping, and yeah, that's a bye-bye for it. And our Hell's Reaper wins. Okay, that's the first round. Let's have the second round. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot! Shoot! Ooh! Strong. Oh, that's a great attack from our Dran Brave. And yeah, Dran Brave wins on that second round. And now, our last round for these two and the last game for our Hell's Reaper for this vlog. Let's go. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot! Shoot! What the? Okay, it's not counted for me because our Dran Brave goes at the top of our Hell's Reaper. I want another one. I don't like that. Okay, so okay, it's okay. Yeah, another one. Okay, so our Dran Brave lands on the top of our Reaper Incendio, so it's not counted. Okay, ready? Last game, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot! Shoot! Oh, strong attacks, but Dran Brave is creeping. Its stamina is losing, and I think Dran Brave will really lose for this round. And yeah, that's it. And we have our Reaper Incendio as the winner for that Dran Brave versus our Reaper Incendio. Okay, so yeah, that's our Beyblade X Reaper Incendio. As I can see, I don't know, maybe there is a difference in weight, but the design, also with the performance of our Reaper Incendio, yeah, is okay. Yeah, it's okay. Just do not use the entry level kind of launcher and Reaper. Okay, but yeah, use the Takara Tomy Reapers. It's very nice. It's much better. Okay, so yeah, that's our Reaper Incendio in T470K, and this is from Hasbro. Okay, not sponsored, but still I like it. But yeah, maybe Hasbro will give us if we will be given. Okay, so that's it for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this kind of videos and contents, please do consider to like, share, comment, subscribe. Please hit that notification bell so that you will be informed for our next videos. Okay, so that's it. Thank you and peace out. More Gunpla and Gun Beyblade next time. Okay, peace out. Bye.